you see it?
No! Just take a picture. Just take a picture of it.
So what happened?
You just untied it and then it flew over the air.
Did it have a string on it?
Yes, it did.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What if I get the string and show it to you?
Yeah.
You want me to do that?
Yeah.
Let's go get the string. I put it in the garbage.
What? You put it in the garbage?
The string?
Is in the garbage?
Yeah.
No, I want it back.
It's right here. Look.
It's right there.
Mhm.
Mama, but you just ruined it. It would have had that special. It was special.
I know, but the balloon just popped off the string.
No, it didn't. You're lying. You're lying, Mama. You're lying, Mama. You're lying. You're lying. You're really lying.
I'm sorry that your special balloon flew up to the sky.
I really miss it. I really miss being blue. But you just popped one of them.
What's that a picture of?
The street.
No, your paper.
It's me sad. It's me sad.
You drew a sad face?
Yeah, because I'm sad. It's me all alone sad.
You know what? You still have one balloon.
No, I want two balloons.
Well, there's one that's kind of flat.
I want two balloons. I want 3 balloons, Mama.
Yeah. So are you ready to move on and done being sad?
No, I do not want to go to the Daniel jail again.
You want to have a snuggle and talk about it?
No, I want to have the blue back. I want to have the blue back.
It'll be okay.
Mama, why did Heaven get it back? Why did Heaven? Is he going to keep it?
Evan?
Yeah.
Well, it'll come back one day, but don't you think it's nice that he has it? And Heavenly Father? The balloon went up to heaven.
No. I want his balloons. And my balloon's mine. I want him to have 3 balloons. I want him to have 1 balloon. And I want to have 3 balloons. I want to give him 1 balloon. And then I have 3 balloons.
How about we just go have a snuggle? And I hold you and we talk about it.
I don't like to. I'm gonna crumble up your I love you pictures and throw them in the garbage.
What?
I'm gonna crumble up your I love you pictures and throw them in the garbage.
Please don't do that. Yeah, I mean, that doesn't sound like a very nice thing to do. Those were special to me.
Mama, you were mean. You were being mean to me. You were being mean to me. You were being mean to me, Mama.
know.
But I really want it. I really miss that balloon.
You know what? There will always be balloons, and one day you'll get another balloon for another special something.
No, I want to have the balloon that floated in the sky.
Okay, but we can't do anything about it.
But I want that balloon that floated in the sky.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to tell Heavenly Father that Evan is not allowed to have my balloon. Tell him that.
That doesn't seem very nice.
I don't want him. I don't want you to be. I don't want you to be nice to him.
Yeah, man, that's not good.
I don't want Evan to have any my balloons.
Yeah? I'm sorry that you're so sad. Are you ready to be happy?
No.
Or do something fun?
No.
You want to just take a nap?
No. I'm so sad.
I'm sorry.
Mama, what is this? Mama, what is Mama, what is this thing?
Ow!
What is this thing? What is this? No, what is that thing under you? What is this thing?
That's my armpit.
No, let me see what that thing that thing wiggle. It's under your armpit. What is it?
It's an armpit hair.
No, it's armpit hair. No, don't. That's not the trick.
What do you mean, the trick?
It's not armpit hair. It's. Just tell me what it is for real.
It's my skin?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a piece of broken hair beads.
Beads?
So I'm never gonna make you a necklace cause you're mean. Do you like necklaces?
I do like necklaces.
I'm not gonna buy one anymore for you. Cause you're mean. Because that balloon was mine.